If your Chevy Traverse backup camera is blacking out or flickering, we can troubleshoot the most likely causes right now. Statistically, the vast majority of these failures aren't the camera itself, but damaged wiring near the tailgate hinge. Let's walk through the diagnostic steps to identify exactly where your signal is being lost. Start by cleaning the lens, resetting your infotainment system, and checking for a blown fuse in the interior block. If those basics don't work, focus on the tailgate harness, the camera module connector, or a potential software freeze. Peel back the rubber boot at the trunk hinge to check for cracked wire insulation, which is common in high-mileage units. Simple fixes like fuses or cleaning are easy DIY tasks, but HMI programming requires a trip to the dealership. Repair costs vary wildly, with most harness repairs costing under $100, while full module replacement is significantly pricier. Always disconnect the negative battery terminal before touching any wiring, and use heat shrink connectors for a lasting repair. You will need a set of trim removal tools and a basic multimeter to verify that power is reaching the camera module. Remember, don't rush the wiring repair, because a poor connection today will just cause the same issue in 6 months. If you're still having issues, check your local dealer for any open service bulletins. Thanks for watching.